You will be able to type without looking at your keyboard by completing all the exercises of this course. You will shorten your learning time if you put the tips of each lesson into practice. But if you want to reach a typing speed of at least 200 characters per minute, or the equivalent 40 words per minute, if you want to be able to type at the beat of your thoughts, or at the same speed as you speak, you must always keep one thing in mind: the pace. You must keep up with your typing. Press the keys without pausing, like a robot.
S, H, semicolon, space, F, L, A, S, H.
During the exercise, if you get distracted, even for a very small moment, if you regret when you make a mistake, if you misplace your hands, if you look away from the screen, if you look at your keyboard, anything that isn't mentally repeating the sign that you're pressing, concentrated, makes you lose the pace. And you need to have a good typing pace while you learn the keyboard to be able to increase that pace in the second part of the course, dedicated to acquiring speed. It's logical that your speed and your accuracy decrease before learning each new sign. By practicing, they will improve again until you encounter new keys. Then the same will repeat, and through practice they will get better once again. Can't you reach the speed goal on the first try? Neither the accuracy one? It isn't a tragedy at all. To err is human. In order to learn, you have to make mistakes. Errors are part of the learning process. In the previous exercise, you've practiced the movement of the index finger to type the letters G and H. In the exercise of this lesson, you're going to type words using the keys of the home row that you already mastered. Pay special attention to the letter H key. Typing words should make you more aware of your progress and encourage you to move forward despite the increasing difficulty. Exercises that don't contain words are necessary to practice the new keys that gradually appear. You must learn to press each key at a good pace, without hesitation. When your neuromuscular memory has stored the necessary movement for the finger to press a new key, you can now type words with that new key. The objective is to gradually incorporate new signs, trying to not to slow down your typing pace, so that, as far as possible, your speed and accuracy don't drop either. This video is a lesson from the interdidactica.com typing course. You can register for free to record the results of your exercises, or you can also do them on your own. It's available in other languages and on different keyboards. If you're watching it on YouTube, you have the links to sign up, to start the course on your own, and to do this exercise in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave your questions and comments below. Enjoy learning!